going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sam Broom back again with another video. I'm trying to bring back this ride. Well, I'm gonna give you a ride for the day because this fragrance kind of like shocked the hell out of me. So the fragrance I'm talking about is by a car company that I'm a big, huge fan of, and that's Nissan. I'm talking about Nissan Armada, that one right there. So check this out. The minute I spray this fragrance on, and let me cut down this fan so you guys can hear me out. The minute I spray this fragrance on, I got one fragrance in mind. And I wrote down the notes. So on the notes, you're getting at the top, you're getting some mint, some kumquat, and you're getting some coriander. And in the mids, you're getting some lavender, some geranium, and some neroli rose. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's supposed to be neroli and rose, but you're getting what they call neroli rose. And at the base, you're getting amber, cedar wood, you're getting some musk, and you're getting some oak moss. Now, all those notes equals one similar fragrance that this fragrance here remind me of. Now, mind you, this is an EDP concentration. This is EDP concentration, and I sprayed it on at 6:30 this morning. It is now 3:30 in the afternoon, and I still smell it. This fragrance lasted all work day long. I'm assuming because it's the concentration is EDP. The nose behind this fragrance is what I should have said. It's some guy named Raphael. Now, I don't know anybody that don't have a last name, but the fragrance guy name is Raphael. He made this fragrance here. And apparently he did fragrances from Azzaro, I believe, like Azzaro Chrome or something like that. I don't know how true it is, but it is what it is. Damn, I got the Corona fro growing. Anyway, a little side note, I'm sorry. That Corona fro is growing kind of thick. You know, time to call and make an appointment. Ain't no more dropping in the barbershops and, you know, getting your cut no more. You gotta call and set up an appointment. But back to the fragrance. This fragrance, no joke, all jokes aside, Creed Green Irish Tweed. You hear me correctly. It reminds me of Creed Green Irish Tweed. I'm not sure what notes Green Irish Tweeds have. I can't recall them off the top. But this fragrance in particular smells like Green Irish Tweed to me. Now, for $8 or $9 is what I paid for. It's like $9 or something like that. $8.99 plus tax. At BJ's. No, I'm sorry, not BJ's. Burlington Coat Factory. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory for $9. $9. And for a fragrance that smells that good. Now, mind you, people want to say it smells generic, it smells synthetic, and all this other bullshit. A fragrance is a fragrance. Again, I always tell people this. Most people, the average person, can't tell you that this fragrance or any other fragrance that's supposed to have synthetic notes in it smells synthetic and generic. No. They just know if all they care about if it smells good to them or to anybody else. So I'm just saying that to say this. This fragrance smells good. For $8 at Burlington Coat Factory, you can't beat it. Do me a favor, get your nose on it. If anybody else out there that smelled this fragrance before and have it in their collection, comment down below, let me know what you think. Let's hope I can bring you another one tomorrow. Well, I hope to. Alright? Again, my scent of the day, Nissan Armada, the Green Irish Tweed Cologne. I'm just gonna say it, this is just my opinion. You don't have to agree. But if you haven't, and if you had Green Irish Tweed, smell the both of them and tell me what you think. It's your boy Sam Broom signing off. Peace. Me again, Sam Broom. Back to doing another video.